Hi everyone! So I wanted to share with you guys my girl Stephanie Garrett Creative here on YouTube sent me the Dollar Tree bead boxes that I have been hunting down for. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So we are going to go ahead and open these bad boys up and see what they look like. I'm super stoked. I cannot believe that she sent these to me. And she also sent me this giant Happy Mail package that you guys need to go check out. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box. And I will also leave a link to her channel as well. So you guys can go check her out and show her some love. So let's open these on up. So I have looked online at Dollar Tree's website to see if I can find these. And so far I have not been able to. So maybe now that I have one in my hand, I can figure out how to find these boxes. So it's Crafter Square, 150 pieces, DIY beads kit. So I'm going to try to look that up. I'm also going to try to look it up by this little barcode. There's a number here. Maybe I could look it up by that. I have no idea, but I'm going to see if I can figure out how to find these online. Or maybe they're just not posted yet. It could be either one. I have no idea. So look at the cover at both of these. I think they are exactly the same. And that's what I was really curious about as well. Were all these the same or are they different? So let's open these on up and see what we have going on here. Oh, look at it. There is little string in here. So you get elastic already with it. So if you want to do these with the kids and go ahead and make them a little elastic bracelet, you can. So that's already included in there. So we have that. We have some like little star wheel flowers. I don't know what you would call these. So there's that one. There are some roses in here. So there's the roses and there's the hole on the side. I want to say that these are going to work for pokey tools. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. Sorry. And then we have this one that looks like a little seashell right here. And then there's another one of those like little wheel flowers. Then we have this little tube with like 3 rings on there. We have a small size pony bead right here. And then we have this flower bead right here. I want to say that these are going to work for pokey tools and maybe beadable pins. We're going to have to test that out. Then we have some butterflies. We have just some regular beads. And all of these seem to have the larger holes. Then here are some more of those little like 3-ring spear little beads. But this is the largest hole right here. This one and the pony bead are going to be the largest holes on these. So let's open this one up and compare if it's the same. I think it is. I think even the setup's the same. So let's see. They both have these little flowers. There's the little circle ones, the roses, the beads, the shells, the butterflies, the flowers, the little flower beads. Yep, these are exactly the same. I say even all the colors are the same too, right? I think so. Yeah, I think they look exactly the same. So there we go. There is our little Dollar Tree bead boxes. These are exactly the same. So let's see if these will fit on a pokey tool and a beadable pin. Let's see. So I have a pokey tool right here that we can use. So I was using it yesterday to clear the little clog I had on my little glue tip right there. So let's see. So here is the pony bead. So this is definitely going to fit because look at how much larger that hole is. That will fit. This is another large one. This little like 3-ring one. This one's huge. That will fit on there. Here's that like little flower wheel. That did fit. That's what that one looks like. Let's try one of these little like seashells. That fit. So that's what it looks like on there. Let's see the little butterfly. That worked too. Yeah, I think all of these are going to work for pokey tools. Then we have our regular bead, which I'm pretty sure is going to fit as well. Yep, that worked. And oh, we have our rose over here. Let's try our rose. That worked. So there's all the different beads right here. They all worked. This is the pokey tool that comes from Hobby Lobby. And they all fit on here. And I like the way the rose sits on here as well. That's going to look really pretty if you put this on a head pin. It's going to like stand up just like the butterfly and this little seashell. It's really pretty. And I actually really like this little like pinwheel flower looking thing. I like it. That's going to be like a really pretty spacer. I like that one a lot. So that's what those look like. And then the last two are just repeats. So I didn't add those on. So let me get a beadable pen. The only beadable pen I have right here next to me is the one that I've already put together, which is this one. So we're just going to take it apart. And since I don't glue these down on the beadable pins, they'll just pop right off. So we'll just take this one apart to test it out. So let's take one of these like little flower wheels. Oh, that one's broken. So let's see. Ooh, that one worked. Okay. This one's large. This is like that 3-ring one. So that one I'm sure is going to work. Whoops, I dropped it. Well, let's get another one because I dropped that other one. There's that one. Here's the rose. Oh, that one's not going to fit. Nope, the rose didn't work. Okay, let's try the regular round bead. Nope, that's not going to work. Oh, yep, I almost got it stuck. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try the butterfly. Nope, to the butterfly. What about the little seashell? No to the seashell. Is this one slightly bigger? No, it just looked like it was, but nope. Okay, no to the seashell. Let's try the flower. Nope, that one didn't fit. And then the pony bead, which is huge, which is gonna fit. Yeah. Okay, so for the beadable pin, the only one that worked was this like little round flower pinwheel bead, this 3-ring bead, and then the big old pony bead. But on our pokey tool, all of them fit. So I think that's pretty interesting. So you could definitely use these for pokey tools. You could just go ahead and stick a head pin through and go ahead and use them that way, and just use them for your chunky charms, your little bead dangles, whatever you like. So, or you have your little elastic right here and you can make jewelry out of it. I think these are an amazing deal. Not only do you get the case, but you get all the beads included. This is a steal for $1. Like, this is a definite bargain right here. The case and the beads for $1. I would definitely jump all over these and buy a case for sure, because I could use these, I could gift these, I could use the case. Yes, there's so many possibilities with these. So I say this is a win. This is a good deal. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my girl Stephanie for sharing with me. I truly appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below in the comments and I'll be happy to help if I can. All right, thank you guys. Bye.